Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to film a quick medicine cabinet declutter. And I've got the door up so I can see the cats as they walk past me. Okay, so this is the medicine cabinet. And it's not as bad as it has been, but it's getting pretty bad. I think most of the stuff's expired. Okay, so I was filming, I thought, I don't know, something happened with the camera. But I'm in the middle of cleaning out my medicine cabinet. I think I recorded that part. I give up. So far this is what I've gotten out of the medicine cabinet. And I'm just rearranging this bottom shelf as I go with the stuff I know that's not expired. And okay, so this is the after of the medicine cabinet. The top shelf is just my stuff, and then some extra medication. This shelf is sunburn, or sunscreen, sunburn, and pain relief, and bug spray, along with the thermometer and a pair of scissors. This bottom shelf is pain meds, some smaller first aid stuff, and allergy relief. And this is some of what is expired that I'm getting rid of. The other stuff I just threw in the trash. But this is my medicine cabinet.